Hey viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make Kesar Almond milk, Badam ka Sharbat, wo bhi Kesar wala. During Ramadan, a glass of Badam Sharbat fills the stomach and keeps you active. So let's have a look. Soak 20 almonds in hot water for 20 minutes. Soak 1 teaspoon of saffron in hot water for 20 minutes. Now peel the soaked almonds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk. Close the lid and grind it till it becomes smooth and slurry paste. Take a pan, add 500 ml of milk. Bring it to boil. Now add almond mixture, slow cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Stir well and slow cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Stir well and slow cook for 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add soaked saffron. And give a good mix. Cook for 20 minutes in a slow flame. After 20 minutes, switch off the flame. Pour it in your favorite glass or cups if you want to serve hot. Now sprinkle some soaked and sliced almonds. You can also add chopped pistachios. Sprinkle some more saffron to garnish. Keep it in refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. You can also serve hot or cold, it's your wish. Delicious drink where the milk is flavored with almonds and kesar. I hope you guys like this drink, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more great recipes, and thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. Thank you for watching. Stay positive and have a nice day.